friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making Korean cucumber salad. For this easy recipe, we need a large cucumber or several small cucumbers, and 2 green onions, soy sauce, rice vinegar, sugar, cayenne pepper or Korean chili powder, and sesame seeds. So first I'm going to mix up the dressing. So this is 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of vinegar, the rice vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. So just mix it together. And now I'm going to slice the cucumber. So just slice it as thin as possible. And I don't peel the cucumber. If you'd like, you can. I washed the cucumber before making the video. And I'm just going to slice it into slices as thin as possible. So now let's add sliced cucumber to the dressing. And also sprinkle the seasonings. So I'm going to use a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And if you'd like it more spicy, you can use more. So you can use 1/4 teaspoon to 1/2 teaspoon. I'm using a 1/4 teaspoon. And also a 1/4 teaspoon of sesame seeds. And if you'd like more, you can add more to taste. And now let's mix it together so the cucumbers are coated with seasonings and the dressing. And finally, I'm going to cut the onion. So just slice green onions into small pieces. let's add the onions to the salad. And mix. Perfect. So here, Korean cucumber salad is ready. And this can be made ahead. If you let it marinate, the flavor is going to be even deeper. And also you can taste and see if you want to add more pepper, more sesame seeds, and adjust the seasoning. And so this is great. I want to try it. Let's try it. I'm so excited. So good, so crunchy, so refreshing with yummy flavorful dressing. You're going to love this Korean cucumber salad. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!